Hello and welcome to the 321BH Explorer. This is not a brand new floor plan, we just revised it. It used to be the 32BHS in the Transcend, but we have brought it down into the Explorer lineup. And nothing changed except for the ceiling height, and you have black rims versus aluminum rims. So you still get all the features that were packed into this great unit. Still the same big slide out. You can still get your theater seats or trifold sofa. Still have your entertainment center, storage, all that good stuff there. You still get the cool storage back here for brooms, coat hooks and all that stuff are in there as well. We have went to the 12-volt refrigerator, and as you can see, there's a lot of extra space in here, storage crispers. It's deeper. It has an off-grid mode that just pulls the least amount of power but giving you the most performance out of the refrigerator. And then the other cool thing is the freezer. You can fit big pizza boxes in there. You have lots of storage space. You have adjustable shelves. And this refrigerator takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get the temperature, and is part of the 12-volt package that runs on a 165-watt solar panel, and it comes with a 25-amp charge controller as well. But you still get the whole interior living area, bunk room, bathroom, bedroom that you had on the 320 or the 32 BHS, but now it's just the 321. So this is the living area. We'll move up to the bedroom and bathroom area. Okay, here we are in the bathroom. You can see that we got the walk-through bath in here, so it's a nice big spacious bathroom. You have the nice big shower in here. You got countertop space over here. You got the walk-through into the bedroom, and you also have a second entrance right up here in the bedroom, so that when the slide room is closed, you still have fully access to the unit, bathroom, and then the back refrigerator, bunk room area with the slide room closed. 60 by 80 queen bed, skylight, power vent, windows for cross ventilation. Let's join me in the bunk room. Welcome to the bunk room. As you can see, we have the 4 bunks back here, L shape. So you got 2 top bunks, 2 bottom bunks. You got 2 windows up top plus a roof vent. You got a bottom window down here. You got your outside kitchen underneath here. You got cubby space. You got 6 drawers back here for the kids. You got a cubby up here, another cubby down here, and then you got another wardrobe hanging space back here. And the other cool thing is there's a half bathroom here. So toilet, sink, countertop space, a little bit of storage, coat hooks, mirror, power vent fan. So a very cool, unique floor plan. 36 foot 11 feet long. And this is the 321BH Explorer. Thank you.